Can't throw kicks like I remember, can't move like I did before. But my left leg keeps on rising, while my right one guards the wall. On the double end bag I'm dancing, slipping weave from side to side. People ask me, were you boxing? I just laugh and let it ride. Cause what they see took years of failure, thousands of rounds inside my head. Every jab and every cross pulled me back from the edge. I'm still standing in the fire, still swinging through the storm. Found a different kind of power in the person I've become. No more running from the silence, no more fighting just to bleed. Now every punch becomes a prayer, and every breath sets my mind free. I let the noise fall to the floor, round by round I find my soul. Adaptation taught me strength, stillness taught me control. When the bell rings and the heavy bag sways, all the anger disappears, all the chaos fades away. No opponent in the corner, no crowd screaming out my name. Just the rhythm of survival and peace inside the pain. Maybe the world would hurt less if we learn to move this way. Turn the pressure into purpose, leave the